Disclaimer before we get into this video. A lot of people are mad about certain things. This is not a how-to channel. It's Reckless.Raquel for a reason. We don't know what the hell we're doing over here. Before we get into this video, I just want to say, just watch the video. You don't have to critique everything. Not everything is going to be maybe how you do it, and that's fine. And we might not do everything correctly, and that's fine too. This isn't a how-to channel. I'm not Chris Fix-It. If you want to learn how to do something, maybe check his channel out. Let's just say we went through a couple different things with the exhaust. We did start the truck with just the headers on, and it sounds like a clapped out truck. It's entertaining. Watch it. It's funny. That's it. Just take it as that and leave it. We did end up getting a generic muffler for it, a Flowmaster one from Advance. So we also had a bunch of piping laying around from the Camaro to the Corvette, so we didn't have to buy a whole bunch of piping and stuff. We already had it laying around. I could have got the rest of the exhaust online and whatever, but we already had stuff laying around, and then we just got the Flowmaster muffler. And TJ thinks that he's a welder, so we just let him have fun with the truck. It might not be standard of what you would do. Take it with a grain of salt. If you see me doing something wrong, say it nicely in the comments. Hey, maybe you should do this next time. You know, you don't have to be a dickhead. Just want to get that disclaimer out before you watch the rest of this video. And yeah. What's up guys, my name is Raquel. If you don't know, I'm welcome to my channel. So today we have another video with the CATEYE, also known as Slippy. But we are going to be installing long tube headers from Stainless Works. So yeah, I'm so excited. But we are going to keep the stock mufflers on for now. Maybe it'll change in the future, I'm not really sure. We'll see what it sounds like and if I want to go louder. But let's just get started because I'm so excited. So I already got the cross piece cut. I don't like cutting stuff, so leave that to someone else. And now I'm gonna remove the O2 sensors. Now I'm ready to remove the exhaust. I'm going to start by taking the plug wires off. I'm not going to put the same ones back on. So I actually had these from CATEYE and they're from Speed Engineering. So we're going to put these back on. Let's start removing the plug wires. So I ended up taking a break, going to the gym. I was getting a little bit frustrated. So we're back and now we have just a passenger manifold to take off. The other side wasn't too bad. It was just the last bolt. There was just nothing, like no room to put anything. Literally not a wrench, anything. So it was a nightmare, but it's off the driver's side, completely off. So we just need to work on the passenger manifolds. So hopefully this is a lot easier than the other side. Okay, so we actually got sponsored by Stainless Works, so shout out to Stainless Works. We're going to be putting long tube headers on the CATEYE, obviously, so we've been working on, but we are going to keep the stock muffler. I know some people are going to be upset about that, but it is what it is, and it should sound pretty good. So we got the crossover piece. Everything came to put on the car with the stock muffler. So we're going to start putting the long tubes on, work on the crossover piece, and see how far we get tonight. everything tightened. Everything is good to go. So now we are going to lower the truck and we are going to send a file to Wicked Performance, and he's going to do the tune on the truck. So if you're interested in anything tuning or building, he built the Camaro also, check out Wicked Performance. I will leave his stuff down below. But let's get this thing tuned and hopefully she sounds good. And then maybe we'll drive it probably tomorrow. It sounds the same. I think we're gonna take off the muffler. I just didn't want it to be like too crazy. Now, it literally sounds the same. I don't know. It sounds good at idle.
Yeah, idle. He said now, put it on the limit. I said no. It's too loud. You can play into it a little bit, just don't go fucking.
No, I'm not fucking doing it. I'm not fucking doing it. No way. I sound like a squatted truck. No fucking way. Absolutely fucking not. Well, that's what it sounds like with just long tubes and no muffler. And hell to the no. So you want to squat it now?
No.
Let's raise the front end. Okay, so as you see, we sound like a squatted truck. So we just got a generic muffler from the store. Hate it or not, it is what it is, but we just want to get the truck back on the road. So TJ welded the muffler onto it, and now we're going to start up, see what it sounds like. Hopefully not a squatted truck, but hopefully better. Okay, so we're gonna go on the first test drive and see how she sounds. I'm a little nervous. I think it sounds good, so we shall see. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out to Stainless Works. If you guys are interested in the long tubes, I will leave their links down below. We also did the Flowmaster muffler for the back. Some people might have opinions about that, but I think it sounds good. It's nothing crazy and it's enjoyable, and I don't get a headache driving it. So I will leave all the links down below if you guys are interested in that. But that's it for this video, so make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. No. I don't know if my head's this.
Oh yeah, you got that big thing in there.
Huh?
You got that big thing in there, you're good.
Say that one more time. Fucking bitch. Do you got that big thing in there? That fucking shield. Oh, love how you just like watch me.
I wasn't fucking helping you. I thought you was drunk.